Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Happy Chapter 5, Week 6. There's going to be one thing different in this week that we didn't have prior, and that is lecture question response, which is due, of course, by the end of the week. Really simple. It's just 3 to 5 sentences based on a question that I've posed, and it's in the discussion board. So this is going to help on the topic of students interacting with an instructor and students interacting with each other as well. Not that you're going to have to reply to other students, but it'd be good to see what your thoughts are per se. But I will definitely reply to each post that is in there, just so you know that I read it thoroughly. And let's take a look at what the lecture response question looks like for a second. Navigate to Chapter 5. You're going to see, of course, your standard chapter review questions, which are due every week, like a quiz, and of course the lecture. But the Chapter 5 lecture question has a specific question in there that's related to the topic. So when thinking about the physician-patient relationship, which is what we talk about in this chapter, how can we legally protect ourselves as caregivers when working with vulnerable individuals? So think about that, and I want to hear your thoughts, right? So that's what this is for. It's better interaction. I think it's going to help us communicate, and we'll learn from each other. If you have any questions related to that, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll have more information on the announcement page, which will show what's due for this week, but I'm really looking forward to seeing your responses to those lecture questions as we get through the chapters. They're going to help with PPS points. So the more of these you do, the higher your PPS score will be. If you do them all, you get 100 in your PPS score. That's kind of the name of the game here. If you have any questions, reach out anytime. I hope you have a great week and looking forward to seeing some great answers. Thanks so much.